The video that you saw with the Robert Jones, this bandage right here minus the superficial layer, what you have here is a modified Robert Jones. What I have done in reality is a modified Robert Jones. The difference between a Robert Jones and a modified Robert Jones is the amount of padding. So again, you use a Robert Jones to stabilize and immobilize a distal limb fracture until it can be repaired surgically. Once the surgery is done, you need to provide a little bit of padding, some padding like you have here, and some compression to that surgical repair site. So what you have here is a modified Robert Jones. So again, you started off by placing the stirrups, medial and lateral. You then put a couple rounds of roll cotton, and then you snugged everything in tightly with your cling wrap. And then you protected your bandage with your most superficial layer of vet wrap. Most commonly it's going to be vet wrap because it's cute. People like colors. I would encourage you to go online. There are vet sites that have different bandage ornate designs. Like the most recent one I saw was they took this blue and they made a minion. It was adorable. Because owners love stuff like this. Owners dig stuff like this. It shows you that you went the extra mile for their animal. Again, we want to cover all of that white padding. So I'm going to snug this padding down. Maybe I would even put a little bit more. See how that white is poking out? Again, I would add a little bit more. But what I mean is, you know, we could make little cute little things, little hearts. Not very good at this. In imaging, we have a cadaver cat. And just on Monday, we re-vet wrapped the cadaver cat to look like Superman. So we used vet wrap to give him a cape and this whole Superman logo. It's really cute now. But again, they have a lot of different sites to help you with designs. Oh yeah, you're the best dog ever. Just like when you were a kid and somebody broke their leg and you signed their cast. So it's a little bit more personal. But what you have here, what I have done and actually shown you when I showed you the Robert Jones, in fact, actually was a modified Robert Jones. I'm out.